Yeah.
This is unique. Never had that before.
Yeah.
But the dad took me with
Yeah,
So
that
it's
is
very special.
That
Get the
is
boat?
special.
to at least look at the boat.
Look
I
at the
just
Yeah,
boat.
yeah, exactly.
Were you on the
I
boat?
never have figured out why he did that.
Because you were agreeable. You would have said,
I
yes,
think-
it's
I
a good
think I
idea to
know.
buy the boat,
You know,
Dad.
That's-
Yes.
Jennifer,
I think
do
I
it.
know.
I could see your mom or your dad thinking that that was a time in your life that would have been really beneficial for you.
I think he
Perhaps.
was going to take you and Fred misbehaved and didn't get it good.
That was
I
probably
think that's
right.
probably what
I
happened.
am-
Yeah.
That's probably, that may be when he had that BB
It
gun.
was great.
It's
So
always
you know
older
what?
than that.
I've also thought that he always took the boys into New York to the ball game,
Yes,
Okay.
right.
baseball games,
Yeah.
and I never got to
Okay.
go.
Okay.
So
So
maybe
maybe
that's why.
he did.
Yeah.
He just
Yeah.
decided, well,
Yeah.
I need to take Jim.
This is something that we
Yeah.
can do together.
Yeah,
Yeah.
it's great.
You do have to look at things that your children, and Coleman and I have decided this. I don't know if it's true or not, but some things that interest the two of you, that it's easier
Mhm.
to connect with your kids if you have something that you have in common.
Right,
Yeah.
right, yes.
Also-
Your
Jennifer
adult
loves-
children.
Jennifer
especially.
loves
Yeah.
sailing.
But I think I love sailing because he took me with him.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah, it was kind of,
It had-
you were
it's
invested
special-
in.
Special
So
meaning.
I'm going to go beyond to learn how
Yes.
to sail.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah. Yeah.
You know,
Yeah,
my
I love
mom
that.
said that about, she actually learned to hunt very early on because my grandfather always wanted boys. And she always was disappointed. She always felt like she disappointed her dad by not being a boy.